Hello students, today we will be learning few things about algebra and we will be solving a few basic sums regarding algebra. Okay, so starting off with algebra, we will do the definition. Now what is basically an algebra? Now algebra, according to the definition here, is a branch of mathematics that helps in the representation of problems or situations in the form of mathematical expression. Now, we can take mathematical expression like, for example, okay, sorry, um, okay. For example, if we can write 2x plus of 3y is equal to 27. Fine. Here, x and y are the two variables. Variables. What are variables? Variables has various values. It can contain any value. Okay. So that is why they are known as variables. Now here, this 2 and 3 are known as coefficients. Coefficients of these variables. Okay, here this plus is an addition operator. That is a mathematical operation. And this 27 here is the constant. Okay, it will always stay constant. Now, as we can see here, it consists of all these components. Means the algebraic equation consists of all these components. Next, there are many branches of algebra like the pre-algebra, elementary algebra, abstract algebra and universal algebra. Now, what is a pre-algebra? Now, pre-algebra is a basic way of representing the unknown values as a variable which helps us create a mathematical expression. Now, what is elementary algebra? Elementary algebra is the way of solving a mathematical expression. It is in the form of an expression or algebraic expression rather. Now, in elementary algebra is the one example I just showed you in my previous slide. Okay. Now, abstract algebra. In abstract algebra, we will be using abstract terms like vectors, then groups, and in universal algebra, we will be learning about trigonometry, then calculus. We will be studying these in our upcoming algebra videos. Okay. So proceeding, these are the topics we would be covering in the whole syllabus of algebra. In my upcoming videos, I will be covering all these topics. Okay. Now, there are some basic formulas for algebra which will be essential in order to solve algebraic expressions or algebraic problems. Okay. So, first I'll show you in two variables. That means there are two variables like for example A and B. Now A plus of B whole square. This is our first formula. What is A plus of B whole square? If we divide it or break it, it will become A square plus 2AB plus of B square. Now you always have to remember these basic formulas. Always, you will be needing it throughout your life. Whenever you are dealing with algebra, you will be needing this formula. So these formulas are very important. Now, suppose I can show you that both the right hand side as well as the left hand side are equal. Suppose if we take the values for A and B as A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Now, for me, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Fine. So, in the left hand side, what we have is A plus of B whole square. If we put this value 2 plus 3 whole square, we will be getting a 5 whole square. Okay, so what is 5 whole square? It is 25. Similarly, in the right hand side, what we have? We have a square plus of 2ab plus of b square. Fine. Now, if we put the value of a and b here as well, we will be getting 2 square plus 2 into 2. Since nothing is given in between these, we will consider it as multiplication operation. Fine. So 2 into 2 into the value for b is 3. So we write here 3. Okay, sorry. Okay. 3 plus of b square is 3 whole square. What we will be getting here? 4 plus this will result in 12 plus of 9, which will, this addition will ultimately give me the result of 25. You can solve it in your mathematics copy. Okay, so here we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence, this formula is proven. Similarly, we have another formula, okay, which is a very basic formula for algebra, that is a minus b whole square. Now we know about a plus b whole square. Okay, so a minus b whole square, it is a square minus of 2ab plus of b square. Now we can also solve this using these two values, but we won't be doing that. We will be using the formula for a plus b whole square to prove this equation. Now we have here, suppose a minus b of whole square. Now what we can write here is, suppose just follow me. Okay, we can write here a plus of minus b whole square. Can I write this? Okay, now if you can see that I have taken the minus inside and I have given the plus, because plus and minus will always give you minus. You all know these, I guess. Okay, for example, suppose plus plus will give you plus, plus minus will give you minus, minus minus will always also give you plus. Okay, so do remember these. Okay. Okay, now coming to this, if we use the formula for a plus b whole square, what will happen here? We will write it as a square plus 2a into minus b, fine, plus of minus b whole square. Oh God. Minus b whole square, fine. So a square, what we can see here, now here it is minus, here it is plus. So as we can see, plus and minus, when it results into a minus, it always results into minus. So we would write here a square minus of 2ab plus. Now a square of a negative is always positive. Okay, so it will give b square. So hence it is proven. A minus of b whole square is always a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? Okay. Now we have other formulas as well. In three variables also we have formulas. For example, a plus b. Sorry, there has been a mistake. It will be a plus b whole of square. Fine. Now it will give you a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Here it is, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. You can also write it as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Similarly, a minus b can be written as a cube minus of 3a square b plus of 3ab square plus b cube. Fine. Okay. Here we also have the formula for a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube, it is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Fine. And this is a formula for cube. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus of 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus of c. Now here, if suppose this a plus b plus c is 0, so the resultant will also be 0. In that case, a cube plus of b cube plus c cube minus of 3abc will be 0. So what we can deduce here, we are taking this negative 1 on the right hand side of the equals. So we can write here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Always remember this. This is when a plus b plus c is equal to 0. This is when for a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Fine. Okay. So we can solve few problems related to these. Okay. So for example, if we take first question, we will be solving. Solve three x plus 4y whole of square. You have to solve this. Okay. So what will you do? We will be using the formula for a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square is equal to? Is equal to a square plus of 2ab plus of b square. Here, which one is your a? This one is your a and this one is your b. So what we do here, we put the values of a and b accordingly in the equation. So we write it as 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y whole square. This will give me 9x square plus, now 3 2s is 6, 6 4s are, it's 24. So 24 xy plus 16 y square. Okay, this is my answer. This is the answer we would be getting solving this equation. Similarly, another problem I will be solving. For example, suppose I will take 6x minus of 2y whole square. Okay. So here, which formula we will be using? We will be using the formula for a minus b. So what is the formula for a minus b? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus of 2ab plus of b square. Okay, so we are placing the values of a and b. What we will be getting here? Now a square. Here 6x is my a. So 6x whole square minus of 2 into 6x into 2y plus of 2y whole square. Okay, so here we get 6's whole square will give me 36 x square minus of here 6 2's are 12, 12 2's are 24 again. So 24xy plus 2 square is 4, 4y square. So this is my answer. Okay. Now, let us solve another equation. For example, you have been given suppose you have been given an equation saying that simplify. Okay, what you have to simplify? For example, 4x plus of plus of 2y, sorry, not 2y, plus of suppose 8 I'm taking is equal to 16. Okay, so we will solve this algebraic equation. How? I'm going to share it with you. So suppose here it is 4x plus 8 plus 16. So I'm going to write it here. 4x plus 8 is equal to 16. Fine. So this implies mm, what we can do, we are going to take this 8 to the other side, that is the right hand side. So yeah, when we take it to the right hand side, its in operator will change. Okay, so we will write it as 16 minus of 8, which will give me 8. Okay. Which will give me 8. Now here 4 is multiplied with x. Okay. Now here we get 4x is equal to 8. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide this 8 with this coefficient, that is 4, for getting the value for x. So 8 divided by 4. So we can cut it with 2. 4 2's are 8. Okay. So we get that x is equal to 2 here. So this is my answer for this simplification. So this is the end of the video, guys, and we will be solving a few more sums or problems in my next videos. Okay, so thank you for today, and keep watching my videos.